Hand.
I got seeds and a shovel.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna plant some seeds.
All right. I have a good spot for him here. Let's go right over here. How deep do you think you should bury him?
I don't know. Not all together.
How hard is it to dig? Yeah? Using your muscles?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Think it's deep enough?
No.
No? Keep going.
Look, that's deep.
Where's the next spot for our seeds?
How big is the shed gonna be?
The sunflower seeds, they grow to like 8 feet tall, sometimes 12 feet.
How big is the shed?
The shed is probably about 8 feet.
I think she can pull it.
All right.
Never come.
Yeah, he never. Well, you know what? He came on St. Patrick's morning.
No, he didn't come today.
He didn't come the day after St. Patrick's Day. 'Cause you know why?
Why?
He saw you had a trap.
I'm gonna show him not put the trap.
Is there any 4-leaf clovers in those clovers over there?
Let me check. Maybe that's how I can catch one. See one. Honestly. Maybe leprechaun lives around here.
It's possible.
No. This is one. The 4 leaves.
Meanwhile, Carson's captaining the ship. You gonna help count the clovers, Carson? All right, Chase, watch out. There's a shovel there, and here comes your sister. Oh, she's gonna help garden. Chase, careful she doesn't fall on that, okay?
I think that's one. I tried.
Any 4-leaf clovers?
No.
All right.
Oh, look. I'll pick a bunch of them up. Nope. They don't leprechauns.
All right, how about these? Run over here. Water these over here again.
Where?
The ones we just planted over here. Plant the ones over by the house. Go.
I did those.
I know. I want to film you running back and forth so kids can see how gardening and planting things can actually lead to exercise. Go. Because that's what you were doing before I was filming, and now you're doing it again. All right, excellent. Oh, looks like it's lunchtime.